Hello, handsome guys. Have you ever looked at models in magazines or on Instagram and wondered how they manage to look so good all the time? Well, I've got some great news for you. You don't have to be a model to look like one. In fact, with a few simple tips and tricks, any average guy can elevate his style game and start looking like a model himself. So in this video, I'm going to share some insider secrets on how to look your best. Tip number 1. Skin care. Your skin reveals a lot about you, and it's one of the first things people notice when they first see you. So let's make sure you leave a good first impression. Cleanse your face twice a day with a suitable cleanser for your skin, especially after being outdoors to remove any dirt or dust. Moisturize your skin daily to keep your skin hydrated and refreshed. Don't forget to drink enough water to hydrate yourself from the inside out. Exfoliate once or twice a week to keep your skin soft and smooth by buffing away and removing dead skin cells. And don't forget to wear sunscreen to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, because you don't want to be 30 with wrinkles all over your face. Frequent exposure to harsh weather, bad habits, and excessive washing can leave men's skin dry and rough. So make sure to follow the previous steps to ensure a young, attractive look. Tip number 2. Hair care. A well-groomed hairstyle can make a world of difference in your overall appearance. So first, start a hair routine by getting a gentle shampoo that doesn't strip your hair from its natural oils. They are there for a reason. Wash your hair once or twice a week, though this will of course vary depending on your hair type. Get a conditioner and use it along with the shampoo. The conditioner should only go on the middle and ends of your hair. Never the scalp. Second, you have to get a quality haircut that complements your face shape and creates balance. I'll be making a video on how to find your personal hairstyle, so make sure you subscribe to be up to date. Keep your hair clean and well maintained with regular trims. Use quality hair products that cater to your hair type and desired style. Tip number 3. Correct tongue posture and nose breathing, or what we call mewing, can drastically improve your facial structure from a receded chin, low cheekbones, and a weak jawline to an absolute Chad. How to mew: close your mouth and make sure your teeth are gently touching. Place the entire surface of your tongue on the roof of your mouth, starting from the tip all the way to the back. Maintain this posture throughout the day, especially when swallowing. It might feel a bit strange at first, but with practice, it will become second nature, and within a couple of months, you'll see great results. Tip number 4, the eyes, they say. The eyes are windows to the soul, so give people a pleasant view to look at. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, staying hydrated, and eating a balanced diet. These habits will help reduce dark circles, puffiness, and redness, making your eyes look brighter and more attractive. If you wear glasses, choose frames that complement your face shape and enhance your eyes, for example. If you have a round face, opt for angular frames to add some definition. On the other hand, if you have a square face, round frames can soften your features. Grooming your eyebrows can make a huge difference in your overall appearance. Keep them neat and well-shaped by plucking stray hairs and trimming any long ones. If you're unsure about how to shape your brows, consider visiting a professional for guidance. Tip number 5, clean teeth. As men, we sometimes overlook the importance of good dental hygiene, but trust me, it's a game changer. Brushing and flossing. The first step in maintaining a healthy smile is the brush and floss regularly. You should brush your teeth at least twice a day for 2 minutes. Each time, use a soft bristled brush and fluoride toothpaste to clean all surfaces of your teeth. Flossing is just as important as brushing. It helps remove plaque and food particles from between your teeth and under the gum line. Make sure to floss at least once a day. If you're looking to enhance your smile, teeth whitening is a popular option. You can get a professional teeth whitening treatment from your dentist, or you can try whitening toothpaste strips or gels. Tip number 6, start a workout routine. Go to the gym 3 to 5 days a week and do either an upper-lower or a push-pull leg split. If you can't go to the gym for whatever reason, get yourself one of these and start doing home workouts. Do your pull-ups, push-ups, and squats daily. You can check this channel for complete guidance. You can find the sets, reps, and techniques. Calculate your daily calorie intake and cut them by 500. If you're trying to lose weight, and up them by 500. If you're trying to gain weight, you can find many online calorie calculators. I'll leave a link to one of them in the description. Simply put your age, height, weight, and activity level and click calculate, and it'll tell you exactly how much you should be eating to achieve your goal, physique. Tip number 7. Always smell good. The sense of smell is often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in a man's overall appearance to enhance your grooming routine. It's important to prioritize good personal hygiene by taking a shower daily, and using deodorant to keep bad odors at bay. Neglecting your scent can ruin even the best looking hairstyle. Therefore, always make sure to choose a good fragrance that suits your personality and enhances your confidence. However, be careful not to overdo it, as just 1 or 2 sprays are enough to leave a pleasant and lasting impression. Remember, good personal hygiene and a subtle, appealing fragrance are key factors in a man's grooming routine. Tip number 8. Wardrobe. Your wardrobe is your personal signature. So make people always remember how good you dress. Once your name pops up in a conversation, invest in well-fitting, high-quality clothing that complements your body shape and personal style. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and patterns to find what works best for you. Remember, less is often more when it comes to accessories, so choose pieces that make a statement without overwhelming your look.